Hello everyone, this is Vinayaka Pipes and Fittings, PVC Pipes, Tamil Nadu. We are selling PVC bend heater kit for base rating all over India, and this video is about how the heater is working. First, the pipes are getting heater using bend heater stand. Second, the pipes are getting bent using silicone rubber. And after bend, it gets cooled using water. We are making three sizes in this. First is 25 mm, second 20 mm, and 19 mm. And after bending, pipes are supposed to make coupling. So we use coupler heater. And this is the coupler heater. The chemical used to make coupling is calcium chloride. Here we are showing the
മനസ്സിലായി ചുളിവ് ഒന്നാം
ചൂടായി കഴിഞ്ഞ് നിവർന്നു വരുമ്പോൾ ചൂട് അധികമായാലും ചൂടാവും കുറഞ്ഞാലും